Today, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro for free. Canva Pro is a fantastic tool that offers a ton of features for creating stunning designs, and I'll guide you step by step on how to access these premium features without spending a dime. Let's get started. First, I'm on Canva with a free personal account. Open a new tab and search for Tingo Bingo. Once the interface opens, scroll down until you find an image titled Best Social Media Platforms. Click on it. After clicking, scroll down to the end where you will see a free guide. Under the guide, you'll find an option that says you can get a file in 40 seconds. Wait for the 40 seconds to pass. Once the download option appears, click on it and a new tab will open. Here, click on Get Here and it will redirect you to Canva. You should see a notification saying, "Welcome to your Canva team." This means you now have a Pro account and can use all the Pro features. If this video helped you, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and happy designing.